we're here in Las Palmas this morning. The weather's looking a lot brighter. It's very sunny, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to get another really nice day. We managed to hold off on the rain yesterday, so hopefully we'll have another nice day today. So here we are in Las Palmas. Let's go explore.
Hold it like this.
So when we come off the cruise ship, we got handed a map. It's quite a lot to do here. Nothing's that far away from the boat. So we're here at the minute. We've got a castle just down here. You've got some shops and things here, like a market. There's a central market just here. And if you go further this way, you've got some more stuff down there as well. So this is a map of roughly of where you'll come off the cruise ship. So we're now heading to the Museum of Technologies. It's something a little bit different because we've done an aquarium, we've done a couple of markets. So we're looking for something a little bit different to do here. So we're going to do that. And then if we have time afterwards, then we might do the aquarium and the markets as well. But we'll see how the day pans out. But yeah, it's a lovely, gorgeous day today. Lovely and warm, the sun's shining. Come out straight at the big shopping mall. And then we're going further down this way, and then that way is where the market is. Just down at the bottom is the hop-on, hop-off buses. So remember, we got one of those yesterday. So that's where you come off the ship. You walk all the way down this path, and then at the bottom, that's where you can get one of the buses. So if you want to do a bit of a sightseeing tour, but you don't want to walk far, then that's a good option to do. Our ship at the minute is doing emergency drills for the staff, while most people are off the ship in port. So they're doing all the alarms, sending the life raft down, doing all the drills in case there's a fire, those sorts of things.
What?
Like a little shed. Don't know what that's for. Probably for someone's boat. It's probably got maybe fishing rods in there or something. Just opposite where the hop-on, hop-off buses are, we've also got one of those sightseeing wheels as well. So if you fancy seeing the scenes of Las Palmas from a bit higher up. And it looks like we're coming up to another little Christmas market. Oh, look at this. This is a good little photo op. We've got the big arch backdrop and then loads of little carousel horses. So that'll be a good photo to have. There's also some different ones down here as well. This one's got one of those nutcrackers in the middle. And then we've got lots of stalls. Some of the little Christmas market. Jewellery, we've got clothes, we've got artwork. Not all of the stalls are open, but hopefully when we come back a little bit later on, it'll all be open. Oh, look at these are cute. Their arms and legs move. Cute. So there's loads more, but at the moment they're all closed. Maybe later they'll be open. We'll have another little look, so we have to come back this way to get back to the ship. There's some fair rides there as well, so maybe they'll all be open as well. And then you come out and there's a big stage. Oh, there's another big photo op here. This one's got a star, some carousel horses and some Christmas trees. Oh, so you get some really nice festive pictures. And then this is a huge stage. So I imagine they'll have performers on there. I don't know exactly what will be going on. Maybe dancers or a band, singer maybe. Whether we'll catch that or not before we have to get back on the ship, I'm not sure. We'll see what time it all opens. There's a big shipwreck over there. I don't know if that's like a play area for kids or just like in a little park. And then we've got a simulator. So this is the Museum of Technology. So this is where we're going. Okay, here we go. Let's go have a look at the Museum of Technology. And we've got one of the spinny globes with water. Ooh! This is all the days, times, and the prices at the bottom. Oh, we've got Einstein. Oh, the ball's coming down. Ooh, we're under the sea in here. Under the sea, under the sea. This is very pretty. They must do some sort of experiment here at certain times with the water and these little crystal ball things. Got a little relaxing area.
This is the kiddies bit.
Yeah, where the kids can relax. And they must have demonstrations in here as well and things for the kids to keep them entertained and teach them some things. Can't film the other bit because there's quite a few kids in there doing crafts. It's a nice little area for the kids. Moby Dick. Oh, I think he's swallowing us. Got some movie posters. Never such a sight, never such might. And then lots of information. I think these are copies of the book. I think this is still from the movie. These are photos of all the stars. Don't know if it's coming out with the reflections very well. See all the photographs. See the whale's eye. And then we've got a chart of all the different whales and the sizes. Of course, the blue whale being the largest in the world. Oh, it's like a green room. I think you can do your pictures so it looks like you're in different scenes. And if you want as well, you can like Harry Potter in the invisibility cloak. Ooh. This is quite fun. There's a big jet and you can go and sit in it, so let's go sit in the cockpit and see what it's like. Some information about it. Right, let's go sit in the cockpit and see what it's like to be a jet pilot. Here we go. Well, there's a lot of buttons and a lot of dials. You probably don't use half of these, I would imagine. You shoot. What we've got here? What's this button do? Oh, we're off. Just fields, oceanography, chemical, biological. So it monitors polluting spills and anomalies, like harmful plankton blooms and things like that, so it's all for research. This is a telescope called Canary Islands, and there's GTC, and it's one of the largest and most advanced optical IR telescopes in the world. We've got a big spaceman. Got a star chart here, so you can spin it round and see what's going to be where in the sky due to the time and date, due to the months and the date, and where things are going to be in the sky. So if this was open, you'd have all like the planets and stars and stuff in here, so it'd look like you was in space, but unfortunately, not today. So this is a bit of a bird's eye view from the top floor. It's got planes hanging from the ceiling. It's where we was a minute ago in the jet. And then over at the back, which we'll take a closer look at in a minute, that's new for the exhibit. It's like you're under the sea. So they're still taking up the plastic up off the floor and everything and setting up for that. And there's another plane there, it's got a person in it, pilot, and then a big rocket. Imagine if computers were still like this and you had to have all this in your bedroom. It's crazy. some animal skeletons now. This is a tiger. Got a crocodile. A monkey. It's this giant one here. Oh, a snake. Ostrich. Look at the turtle. Got a camel. Llama. Right, let's have a little look in here. Like a butterfly house. Let's have a look. Wow. Can't see any butterflies though. You're supposed to have real butterflies in here, but can't see any. You can see like a little caterpillar down there. And that's the life stages. So you can see another cocoon there, and one that's hatched out, and then a little butterfly. Goodness, what is that? Is that a dust mite? Whatever it is, I don't like it. It's about all ailments and medicines. Definitely wouldn't like going to the dentist back then. All the medicines made from mushrooms. That looks like something from Harry Potter. It's like a mandrake. That's probably where she got the idea from. Oh yeah, mandrake, also known as a human plant, a reproduction of the mythical creature. So there you go. Big African steamship, the MSS Ada. Some old photographs, cars, trams, railway. An old till. Next to the wheel, it looks like they've got their version of the Tower of Terror. They've got a drop ride. It's like being back at Disney. We've found the beach, right down at the bottom of the shopping strip. The beach is beautiful. Beautiful sands, clear blue waters. It's just very windy. We've stopped off at this little cafe restaurant at the seafront called Casa Roja. It was built in 1902. It's good. It's this place here. The table is right on the beachfront. Got a nice cappuccino. What's that, cinnamon? Look at Grumps up there, because he's not got his beer yet.
Oh, they put cinnamon in it. Cinnamon,
Yeah, it's got cinnamon in it.
Cinnamon in a minute. It's quite hard.
cinnamon in it.
It doesn't take a lot to please you two, does it?
No.
That's what you need. That's what you need for your review.
Meal, a small beer, sorry.
Thank you so much.
Sorry. Hello.
Hello.
This big hospital right on the seafront, 1891. It's right on the beach. Some volleyball courts as well. Right, have a little walk down to the sea. I haven't got a towel or anything with me, so I won't be able to actually go in the sea, but we can go and have a look. See how cold it is. Lovely sand. Probably get it all in my shoes, but who cares? Really wish that I'd have brought a towel and my swimming costume, but because the weather hasn't been great in all the other places so far, I didn't think it was actually going to be nice enough to go in the sea today, but it is. So here we are. This coffee from Starbucks. They was doing a different one here. They was doing the red velvet cake latte. I'll get one of them to try. My cream's melted in a little bit. I've had some of this, but it's got cream and sprinkles on the top. It's delicious. Back on board now in our cabin, just been showered and changed. We did spend a little time up on deck on the sun deck watching the sail away, and had a bit of time in one of the whirlpools as well. I didn't record because we do have some family with us on the cruise and we wanted to spend a little time off camera with them. I think we're going to go to the Lido tonight, not the main dining room, just mix it up a little bit. So I'll bring you along with me and we'll see what is on the menu for tonight. We've got lots of stew this evening. So we've got different types of stew. We've got seafood, vegetables, we've got chicken on the carvery with beef yesterday. We've got some wraps, some more stew, some roast potatoes. We've got some calamari, some quiche, chicken nuggets. We've got some pasties. Lots of different sauces to put on your food. got an ice cream machine, got vanilla, chocolate or mix, and then I think they've got strawberry at the other side. Got cones or bowls, lots of different flavoured breads, bread rolls, baguettes, slices, and then your butter as well. Decided to try both of the stews. One's a classic beef stew, the other one is a butterbean stew. Thought that sounded a little bit different. I've got a pasty, some potatoes which look delicious, and a bread roll, and then after this I'm going to raid the desserts because they look so good. And then if you walk to the other side you've got all your desserts and pizza. So we've got fruit pots, jellies, passion fruit mousse. Around here, oh that looks nice, we've got a coconut cake, chocolate pudding, Christmas strudel, and then around here there's more of the same. They do look really, really good. And then we've got rice puddings, and then the cookies, so we've got raisin and chocolate. Decided to go with the two that I thought looked nicest, which was the Christmas strudel and the coconut cake. So there's no filming allowed in the theatre, so I'll just pop some pictures in and tell you what it's about. Tonight's show in the theatre is by a duo. I'll pop the name on the screen for you, and their show was called Luminescence. So this is a poetic and powerful acrobatic duet blending aerial skills, hand-to-hand acrobatics and LED juggling. This visual journey tells the story of a mysterious samurai and the light fairy. Captivated by her magical orb, he tries to claim it. So after he steals the orb, you go on this whole magical journey with them both to find out what happens with the orb and between the two of them. Now I loved that it had an actual storyline that you followed, and it's something completely different to what we've seen on the ship so far. Just got back to the room after the show. It's quite late at night now, and if you fancy a snack, the Lido is open for late night snacks, so you can get some slices of pizza, you can get cookies, and they leave some desserts out as well. So I'm just going to have these cookies and chill in bed with some TV before going to sleep, ready for tomorrow. So that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have. The show was good. It was something a little bit different to what we've seen so far. We haven't seen an acrobatics type show yet until now. So it was nice to have something a little bit different. They do try and give a little bit of variety with the shows for the people on board, which is good. So there's always going to be something that you will enjoy to go and watch. Have a magical day or evening whenever you're watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to join in all of the future adventures. There's lots more fun coming up, and I'll see you for the next adventure. Bye!